5 apps that you can download literally today and start making money with just your phone. Now, I've done the research for you, so you know that none of these apps are scams. I did all of the research. I looked at all of the reviews. Every single one of these apps actually work. So make sure you grab your phone, find the nearest window, and throw it out so that you can pay. Guys, find one-time pass. You can keep your phone for this video, but only because I'm gonna be showing you exactly how to make a bunch of money. So grab some popcorn, make sure you hold on to your phone because this is going in jets. This is going to be a very exciting one. People have been asking for it. So we went out, did all the research for you, and found the 5 best apps that you can literally start to make money with today as long as you have a phone with an internet connection. But before we actually get into this, if you're new here, first of all, welcome to the strongest family on YouTube. And if you like making money, make sure you do 2 things. Tap on the tiny little subscribe button and make sure you hit that like button as well, because it helps me reach more people like you who want to be financially free and start making a little bit more bread, a little bit more Benjamins, a little bit more moolah, and start to actually stack some cheese. And let's face it, there might not be a legal way to instantly make free cash, but this is pretty much as close as it gets. And so without further ado, let's count down from the number 5 app all the way down to the number 1 best app to start making some money with number 5, Field Agent. Field Agent describes themselves as an app that focuses on finding opportunities for everyday people like you to make money. Essentially how Field Agent works is they deploy shoppers all over the United States and around the world and share their opinions, and most importantly, get paid to do so. This app is available completely for free to download, and once you do download it, you'll see a map and it'll show you when jobs are nearby. And obviously in bigger cities, there's going to be more jobs and more potential to actually earn money, but as long as your city isn't too small, there should be some jobs that you can go ahead and do. And some of these tasks definitely can appear very random. I'm not gonna argue with that. Some of the tasks will ask you to go into a retail store and take a picture of a piece of food or a can of soup or something like that. And the reason that companies are actually willing to pay that is they wanna see how their actual product or service is being displayed in these, grocery stores or retail chains or outlets. And with each job paying between $3 and $12 and generally taking about 10 to 15 minutes to complete, that means that you're roughly earning about $20 just to use the Field Agent app to take random pictures and to go into stores and perform random tasks. So if you have some free time on your hands and you want to earn $20 per hour to go random places in the city and take photos of random cans of soup, then the Field Agent app might be for you. Number 4 is an app called Foab. And I know that's kind of a ridiculous name, but this app is actually really cool. And basically what the Foab app allows you to do is upload pictures from your smartphone and get paid to do that. Because there's thousands of companies from all around the world that constantly need royalty-free pictures of their products or services, right? And most companies don't want to go and hire full-time photographers and videographers to actually take photographs of all of their products out in the world when they can do what's called crowdsourcing. And what crowdsourcing essentially means is it gives companies the opportunity to buy awesome images of their actual products or services that are taken by everyday people like you. And so if you're taking photos with your smartphone every day, you might as well start to get paid for those photos that you're taking. And if a company likes your photo, the company will actually buy it from you. Now, most photos on Foab sell for around $10, and Foab gives you a 50% commission, which is actually very generous because they did all of the work to create the marketplace and to popularize the app and attract companies that are willing to pay you. So if you make 50% commissions on a $10 sale, that means that if a company likes the photo that you upload that took you, potentially 10 to 30 seconds to actually set up a product, take a cool picture, maybe you're on vacation in a beautiful place and you have a Coca-Cola can with you and you decide to take a picture, you could take 30 seconds, upload it to your Foab profile, sell it for $10 if Coca-Cola was interested in buying it, and you would make $5 every single time one of your images is bought. And like anything, you'll get better at doing this. Maybe when you're first starting, you're not gonna take the best pictures, but if you already like photography or you already like taking pictures with your phone, this is a great way to start earning some side income, again, just using your phone. Number 3 is the Google Opinion Rewards app. And as you can see, the Google Opinion Rewards app has over 1 million, close to a 5-star review. And you know that anything developed by Google is going to be 100% 100% legit. Google Opinion Rewards was initially launched as a survey mobile app for Android and iOS developed by Google, and the app allows users to answer surveys and earn rewards on Android, and on iOS, it allows users to answer surveys and actually get paid directly to their PayPal. And not many people actually know that Google has a rewards program where you can go ahead and download this free app, answer a few basic questions, and you can get paid for voicing your opinions. Because the thing is, your opinion and your feedback is incredibly valuable to Google, and Google, like many large companies, is willing to pay you for it to improve their user experience and to improve their products. The number 2 app is called Dosh. Now, Dosh recently raised $44 million in investor money because they're obviously doing something that people are interested in and something that's making them money, but more importantly, making you money. And basically how Dosh works is you make money and you get cash back to spend money you'd most likely already be spending at restaurants and hotels and literally thousands of companies and providers that Dosh has partnered with. But even more so than just earning cash back to go and eat at your favorite restaurants or go to your favorite hotels, you can also make money with Dosh using their affiliate program. Every time that you actually sign up and add a new payment method to your own Dosh app, you actually get a $1 sign-up fee, and you can also get a $5 referral fee for signing other people up to the Dosh app. So maybe you have a following on social media, maybe you could post about it on your own Facebook or Instagram, maybe you could even make a YouTube video talking about what Dosh is to get people to actually sign up through your own link, or you can just download the app, hook up one of your payment methods, and just use the app to earn free cash back going to your favorite restaurants or hotels. And the cool thing is Dosh is growing very quickly, which means that you know that they're gonna be constantly adding new companies, new features, new ways to earn more cash back for you, which means the sooner that you sign up, the better you'll get at it, and the more cash back, referral fees, and sign-up bonuses you could potentially earn. And the number 1 way to make money with no pre-existing skills and no money to get started using just your cell phone, we will get to in 1 second, but I do want to give a big shout out to our daily one app to make money just using your phone is called TaskRabbit. Now, TaskRabbit is an American online and mobile marketplace that matches freelance labor with local demand, allowing consumers to find immediate help with everyday tasks like cleaning, moving, or delivery work. And the cool thing about TaskRabbit is you don't need any pre-existing skills to help someone move a few moving boxes or to clean something. And TaskRabbit employees can make a significant wage. I actually hired people off of TaskRabbit myself to help me move some of my furniture, and I was paying them $50 per hour to actually help me move some of my couches and help me move a few boxes from one house to one of my other houses. And so if you're capable of actually picking up a box and moving it, or you're capable of cleaning things, or you actually enjoy doing that type of stuff, you can earn $40 or even $50 an hour to do very basic tasks, and you can do it entirely from your cell phone. And so don't be like 99% of people that never do anything. Be the 1% that actually tries some of these things until it works for you. And if you're going to do it, leave me a comment down below that says make money to prove to me that you're actually going to do these things until it works. And if you're looking for an even better way, a scalable way,